Feel mo ba you're just dragging yourself to work? Yung parang paulit-ulit na lang yung ginagawa mo tapos di ka na nag-enjoy. Ngayon, napapaisip ka naman na mag-shift ng career kaso hindi mo alam kung paano. Niisip mo rin bakit hindi ka ready. Kung ikaw ito, here's a video for you. So here's the ultimate advice for every struggling employee. Kung hindi ka na masaya, you deserve a better one. So kung kailangan mo mag-shift ng career or move to another company, go for it. At the end of the day, wala namang talo doon. You tried another environment, I'm sure that would be better opportunity, better compensation, and it will give you peace of mind. Na masasabi mo sa sarili mo na kaya ko naman pala. Kasi madalas, kaya natin nararamdaman yung stress dahil hindi natin gusto yung ginagawa natin. Hindi dahil sa katrabaho natin, hindi dahil sa trabaho natin. In fact, nasa atin siya as a person. Kasi baka hindi ako fit para dito, baka hindi na ako nag-grow, hindi na ako nag-challenge. So that's a decision that you need to make. Ngayon, kung ang tanong mo is handa ka na ba? Nobody's ready. So, malalaman mo lang kung handa ka kapag nandun ka na. So, pwede ka naman mag-apply habang nasa trabaho ka. Hindi mo naman kailangan mag-burn ng bridges right away. And of course, kapag nag-resign ka, there would be a 30-day na rendering period. So for sure, ma-turn over mo lahat ng maayos. Kung isang dahilan pa is pamilya mo, na sa tingin mong hindi mo na ibibigay yung lahat para sa kanila, you need to decide right away. Hindi natin kontrolado kung kailan tayo magkaka-increase, bonus, or promotion. So kahit anong sipag mo, at kung sa tingin mo medyo stagnant, or hindi mo talaga sure kung kailan ka magpo-progress, you need to take a leap of faith. Maraming gusto mag-grow, pero hindi ayaw i-take ang action for them to grow. Kung nahirapan ka mag-decide at hindi ka makapagplano, you need a mentor to decide on this. Message me and I'll be happy to help you. I'll be mentor you and journey with you with your career.